Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You open Numbers and pick a template or a blank sheet to begin. Once done, name the file and save it in iCloud or local documents so versions sync across devices. Next, insert a table. Click the Table button, then add headers and adjust column types, text for labels, date for timelines. This matters because correct types let formulas work without errors. Make sure to set number formats up front. They control currency, percentages, and decimal places for consistent calculations. You begin calculations by typing equals and selecting cells, for example equals A2 plus B2, or using functions like sum, A2, A10. Once you enter a formula, drag the fill handle to apply it down a column. Autofill adapts relative references. For conditional logic, use if, condition, value if true, value if false. Then format cells for currency, percent, or date so values display correctly. This avoids visual confusion. Also use conditional highlighting. You finalize by creating charts from your tables, adding comments for collaborators, and locking key cells to prevent accidental edits. Once done, use Share to invite collaborators or export to create Excel, PDF, or CSV copies. Always verify formatting after export because Numbers and Excel handle styles differently. If a formula stops working, check cell formats and ensure reference sheets or ranges still exist. Missing sheet names or text-formatted numbers are common culprits. If syncing fails, toggle iCloud for Numbers and reopen the document.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.